Hi everyone, my name is GULSHAN BANU, working as an assistant professor AI and DS department. So today I am going to take a very new topic called as local search and optimization problem given in the unit problem solving. Now, what is local search? Local search is something in which you do a process in a very specified area or in a very predefined area. Now, what is this optimization? Optimization is something in which you need to do a problem in a very optimalistic manner. Yes. Now, we will see what is this local search and optimization problem is all about and what is the concept behind this process. Okay. Now, the first thing is local search algorithm. The local search algorithm is like it searches only the final state, not the path to get there. Now it actually searches only for the goal state, that is the goal where it has to reach, and it will never determine the path where it goes. The example for this local search algorithm is the 8 queens problem. Okay, in 8 queens problem, what is the actual position is like you have to place the queen both in row wise and column wise, and the queen has to be in any one of the box. Okay, so the queen can either be the queen should not be, when you place a queen in one direction, the queen should not be in both the diagonals and also in the row wise or in the column. So it is searching the process in a very localistic manner, and that is why we have bought the 8 queens as the local search algorithms example. Okay. Now what is this local search algorithm? It always operates based on the searching process from the start state to the neighboring state. Okay. It always keeps the path. Okay, it always keeps the track of the path, but it doesn't know where it should actually reach. Okay, now when it does that process, it is always in a very systematic, it is actually not in a very kind of systematic manner. Okay, when we do this kind of process, you can't explore all the directions. It just goes in a way where it has to reach and how it should be done. Okay, now in local search algorithm also you have the hill climbing search approach. Okay, as I've already mentioned in the heuristic functions, the hill climbing is something which will continuously move in a direction of increasing value to find the peak of the mountain or best solution to the problem. Okay, it always keeps the track of one current state, and on each iteration it moves to the neighboring state with the high value. Now, what is called as a stimulated annealing? Stimulated annealing, it is just a process in which the algorithm always follows a global search algorithm. Global search optimization algorithm is something which is used in a very diverse manner, and it is also in a very non-linear objective function. Okay. Now, it always has a solution. The solution is to start by shaking hard. Shaking hard is nothing but with the maximum high temperature, then it gradually reduces to the lower temperature, and in this stimulating annealing, it is very useful for situations where there is a lot of local minimum value. Okay, in hill climbing it is based on the maximum value, but in stimulating annealing it is something which is based on the minimum value. Okay, now what is called as the next thing which you are going to see is beam search algorithm. Now, this beam search algorithm is something that examines a graph by extending the most promising node in a limited set. Okay, you have n number of nodes. Okay, but it is always based on the very limited set. Okay, and it should always be in a very promising node, that is very dedicated node, and that node is called as n, and that node will be denoted as beam width. Okay, this algorithm will always keep the lowest number of nodes on the open list. Fine. Now, what are the components of the beam search? The components of the beam search is nothing but the problem, the pruning process, and the memory availability that is associated with the beam search. Okay, now we will see what is generic algorithm. Okay, generic algorithm is something which is a searching technique that is used to find the true value. The English term generic itself means you should be very true, right? So generic algorithm is something which is also related to this process, and it is also something which is correlated with the global search heuristics. Now, what are all the applications of the local search algorithm? Local search algorithm is used in integrated circuit design, factory floor layout, shop scheduling, automated programming, telecommunication network optimization, crop planning, and portfolio management. So these are the process of local search algorithm. I hope you understood the process of local search algorithm and the optimization problem. Okay. In the next video, I will be teaching you what is a local search and what is the local search in the continuous space and the process that is involved in. For now, thank you. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you.